Hey there, marketing mavens. Welcome to our bite-sized yet power-packed tutorial. I'm your friendly neighborhood marketing whiz, and today, I'll be pulling back the curtain on how to create a fresh sub-account within your agency on the fabulously versatile GoHighLevel platform. Ready to dive in? Let's roll. First up, we're going to have to beam up to your agency level. It's a quick hop over to sub-accounts and then a skip to create new sub-account. And would you look at that? You've got a buffet of vertical snapshots based on your business niche. Feeling a bit adventurous? Go on, use this feature. Or maybe you're more of a blank canvas artist today. That's cool too. Got a snapshot from another sub-account? Use that. Or hey, import a snapshot from another account, and it's like making a photocopy of their settings. Pretty neat, huh? This magical interface also clears up the mystery of the type of account you're conjuring up, be it a shiny sauce account or a regular Joe. But heads up, these choices are VIP access for those on the $497 plan or the Pro plan. If you're on the starter plan, don't sweat it. You'll land a regular account. Alright, buckle up because we're venturing into the traditional path of creating a new sub-account from square one. We're picking blank, then slam-dunking that select and continue button. Bam! A map appears like a genie from a lamp, asking you to input your company's address. For the sake of our thrilling journey, let's pretend we're setting up a 7-Eleven in the hustling, bustling Hong Kong. The system's got our back, it locates the business for us, and all we gotta do is give it a nod of approval. Next on the agenda, we're gonna need you to fill in your account details. That's your first name, last name, and your email, secret agent. Remember, the city and postal code aren't just for show, they're crucial. Like a superhero costume, you need to wear all the parts. And let's not forget our time zone, which in this case is +8 for Hong Kong. When all the fields are filled with your secret codes, aka information, give that save button a good old click. Boom! You've nailed it. You've successfully birthed a new sub-account. Want to meet your new creation? Dance on over to Sub-Accounts, and you'll see it mingling with the rest of your sub-accounts under your agency. And guess what? If you're playing hide-and-seek with a specific sub-account, just type in its name, and there you have it. And with a sprinkle of magic, that concludes our roller coaster ride on creating a new sub-account on GoHighLevel. Got a question or need a helping hand with GoHighLevel? Give a shout in the comments below this video. I'm here with all the answers. Thanks for sticking with me. And remember, keep your marketing fun and your results phenomenal. Until next time.